Today we're going to be putting One UI 6.1 on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in slow motion. Hi, I'm Captain Awesome. This is Geekception. I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, check out the memberships here, and even a like or comment will go a long way in helping me. And please, let's begin the slow motion. And there you have it, One UI 6.1 in slow motion. Please let me know what are some of the things that stood out for you, and what do you think of the S24 Ultra in general. I'd appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, check out my memberships here, leave a like, comment, as those things will really help me a lot. I've been your Captain of Awesome, this is Geekception, and don't forget to stay awesome. Bye!